Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best products for kids. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of footwear, specifically highlighting a fantastic option for those rainy days, the BEARPAW Toddler Rain Boots. If you're looking for the best Crocs rain boots for kids, you're in the right place. These BEARPAW rain boots are not only stylish but also incredibly functional. Designed for toddlers, they are made from high-quality waterproof rubber, ensuring your little ones can splash in puddles without getting their feet wet. With a sturdy rubber sole, these boots provide excellent traction, making them perfect for outdoor adventures, whether it's a rainy day at the park or a muddy hike. One of the standout features of these rain boots is their pull-on design. This makes them easy for toddlers to wear on their own, promoting independence and allowing them to get ready for outdoor fun in no time. The boots come in vibrant colors, like the adorable purple we have here, which adds a fun pop to any rainy day outfit. The BEARPAW Toddler rain boots are designed to be lightweight, ensuring your child can run and play comfortably. The waterproof construction keeps their feet dry, while the flexible material allows for natural movement, making them ideal for active kids. Plus, the easy-to-clean rubber makes them a breeze to maintain after a day of play. Parents will appreciate the thoughtful details that go into these boots. They not only look great, but they're also built to last. The quality of the materials used ensures durability, so you won't have to worry about them falling apart after just a few uses. These boots are a great investment for any toddler's wardrobe. Whether it's a playdate, a family outing, or just a day at home, these rain boots are versatile enough for any occasion. They can easily be paired with raincoats, jeans, or even shorts, making them a go-to option for parents. In conclusion, if you're in search of the best Crocs rain boots for kids, the BEARPAW Toddler rain boots should be at the top of your list. With their waterproof design, ease of use, and stylish appearance, they make rainy days enjoyable for both kids and parents alike. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more product reviews and recommendations. Stay dry and keep exploring. See you next time.